In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can use spacing and kerning in text in Affinity tree. So you first have to have a text, of course, and then what you can do is for the spacing, the letter spacing, you can use the shortcut Alt Option and the arrows, so Alt Option and the right arrow to make it bigger and Alt Option and the left arrow to make it smaller. But you can also go to Window and then choose Text, and here you choose Character. Here we have several options, and this is your tracking, which will define the space between all your letters. So if you just drag like this, you can do the same, and you can use this arrow to choose a preset. Now that's for the spacing or tracking, which adjusts the spacing uniformly over a range of your characters. Now if you want to have the kerning, which adjusts the spacing between two specific characters, it's the same. You place your cursor, your type cursor, between the two letters you want to space. And then we have the same option, Alt Option right arrow to make the space bigger and Alt Option left arrow to make the space smaller. And as you can see here, we're using the kerning option. So the same in the character window, you can drag like this to left to right, or use the arrow to have a preset option. But that's how you can easily use the spacing and kerning options in Affinity tree. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.